A properly functioning fuel line is essential for the optimal performance of a Tomahawk motorized sprayer. Over time, fuel lines can deteriorate, become clogged, or develop leaks, necessitating replacement. Today, we will provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to replace the fuel line on your Tomahawk motorized sprayer, ensuring that your equipment continues to operate reliably and efficiently. Before starting the replacement process, it's important to consider the following. Prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves, safety goggles, and working in a well-ventilated area. Ensure the sprayer's engine is cool and that the tank and pump have been flushed thoroughly with clean water. Here's what you'll need. Your backpack sprayer, a replacement fuel filter and fuel line, needle nose pliers, and a flathead screwdriver. First, using needle nose pliers, remove the old fuel line from the fuel tank. Next, loosen the old fuel line from the carburetor until it's released. Grab the new fuel line and place it into the fuel tank with the filter side down. Take the top fuel line and connect it to the carburetor. Your backpack sprayer is now back in action. By following these maintenance tips, you can maximize the performance and lifespan of your Tomahawk motorized sprayer. Regular cleaning, inspection, and proper storage will keep your sprayer in peak condition, allowing you to achieve consistent and efficient spraying results. With proper maintenance, your Tomahawk sprayer will continue to be a reliable and indispensable tool for your spraying needs. For more tips, tricks, and how to get the most out of your pest control equipment, click subscribe today.